In this video, I'm going to be talking about the plants the seeds that I planted, and they haven't grown. So let's find out why and what I did about it. So let's get this video started. Hey butterflies, so I had to do a voiceover because the audio was trash on the video. But these 4 plants are the plants that I planted. Cucumber, lettuce, mixed muscadine greens, and this is blue kale. After this dried out, it actually started growing. So I think I'm going to transfer it to the pot up top, which I'm going to show you in a minute. That's the collard greens that I planted. And those are my grandson's beautiful plants that they planted on Mother's Day. And that's the blue kale that's in a pot by itself. And I'm going to take the one at the bottom and add it to that pot. And it'll be 2 plants in that pot. That little stem right there, yeah, I'm going to take that out and add that to the top. I planted seeds. I don't know exactly what they are, so I got to wait till that grows to figure it out. In the next video, I'm going to repot my cabbage and show you guys the garden and let you see how it's grown. So, I guess that's it. Them seeds didn't grow, so I'm starting over, and I'll show you the garden outside to show you how the new plants are doing. So see you guys in the next video.